going to show you guys how I make this delicious apple crumble. So first we're going to cut and peel our apples. You can peel about 3 or more. I did 3. Of course you can use a peeler. I'm using a knife because I don't have a peeler, but ideally use a peeler. At this stage you can remove the core and then dice into small chunks. Let's make the crumble. I've added 120 gram of self-raising flour, 120 gram of cold butter, and I'm dicing that. I then added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then I rub those flour and ingredients together in between my fingers until it resembles bread crumbs. You can then add some oats to that mixture, then combine all the ingredients together again. In a saucepan, add 10 grams of butter, melted butter, then add your diced apples, stir it in, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, add some cinnamon and some nutmeg and a pinch of salt for taste. Then let that simmer down for about 2 minutes, and then we'll be add that into our baking tray. It's now time to sprinkle our crumble over our apples and place that in a oven for 45 minutes, and then your apple crumble should be ready. Serve with some custard, ice cream, or some double cream, whipped cream. Up to you. I'm having some custard, and enjoy!